how to set display auto lock and guided access on iPhone X. And okay guys, in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to accessibility. In accessibility, scroll down again, and below here you can see the general section. Okay, in general section you can see the guided access. Okay, go to guided access and make sure the guided access is enabled or turned on. To turn on, you'll have to do switch on the switch button on the right side. And here in guided access, okay, below you can see here the display auto lock, and the display auto lock is set into default. So to set the display auto lock, you'll have to do is tap this, and you can see the option of time. So the display auto lock is set into default, and you can set into 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or set into never. So I decide to set the display auto lock into 5 minutes. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully set the display auto lock in guided access on iPhone X.